what router does is connecting different networks. Okay, so what about switch then? The switch connect different devices within a network. Switch connect different devices within a network. Let's say this is an office. Okay, so we have different switches here. So this one switch will be one switch, and that is actually the end switch we are talking about. Okay, let's talk about the end switches, that is edge switches. We will say as edge switches. So edge switches connect different devices within a network, right? Connect devices within a network. Okay, so how many devices, computers are here? Actually there are almost around 10 computers, right? So these 10 computers are actually connected to the switch. Okay, so connected devices within a network. What? Within a network. So within a network means I have only one network. Okay, so that network is where I have 10 computers which is actually connecting to the single switch. Okay, so that is connecting within a network. Then the third device is hub. Okay, so basic device. What is a hub? That is a basic device. Okay, these hubs are actually traditionally used. Okay, what is the hub? Hub is network to Wi-Fi wireless. Talk about router. So what does route protecting from what? It is threat and public networks worldwide. What is internet? Internet is a global network connecting millions of private and public networks worldwide. So the the, then talking about which is actually used in the environment. Okay, so this model you can see it is 192, 168, 0. So OSI model is the main model which is used for data transmission. So what is OSI? OSI stands for Open System Interconnection. Okay, and there are how many layers are there in OSI? There are 7 layers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7 layers in OSI model. So what are the 7 different layers of OSI model? Physical layer, data link layer, network layer, transport layer, session layer, presentation layer, and application layer. So physical layer, data link layer, network layer. Router does in physical layer zeros and ones and transmit raw bits, and data link UDP. You have TCP and UDP. Okay, the proper and what handled by the application first, and the transfers from one devices to the another device. And now it is actually about TCP/IP model. It's a simplified version of it. Has source address and destination address. Source address and desktop is actually a domain name. What it does, it converts it into IP address.